Hello! Today I will be unboxing this Corsair Vengeance Performance DDR5 64GB RAM and installing it into an ASRock motherboard. This is not an RGB kit, but it runs at 5,200 MHz with two sticks of 32 GB each, giving a total of 64 GB of memory. Maybe someone else has used this RAM and can share feedback, because I'm only now building my gaming setup. Installing RAM in this ASRock is simple. Just check the manual for the correct slots for dual-channel use, and then install them the same way we have been doing this for more than 20 years.